Hi everyone, it's Ira from gmailfiend. First of all, thank you for watching this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and check our channel for more videos like this. Okay, so in this video, I'll be teaching you how to change your Gmail theme. If you're ever wondering how I did mine, please keep on watching. Of course, the first thing that you'll ever need to do is log into your Gmail account or Google account and go to mail.google.com. The second thing that you'll need to do is click this settings, which actually moves you or goes you to quick settings. It has a lot of features already. It shows you a lot. You can customize the chat and meet, the density, the inbox type, the reading pane, and the email threading. And of course, you can also see this here, how you can customize your theme. So let's click this. As you can see, Gmail already offers a lot of presets or pre-made themes. Actually, this only allows you to change your background. So that's basically the theme or the Google theme. So the first one, let's try this one. Okay, so as you can see, it changes your background. You can also click this more images to choose from hundreds of high definition background images. Google also offers this minimalist themes, which actually only shows you the colors or changes the background color of your Gmail. You can also choose this high contrast, which is actually a default but a higher contrast theme. And you can also choose this My Photos, where you can choose one from the photos that you have uploaded in Gmail, or click this feature to see a lot of more pre-made or built-in backgrounds for Gmail. So let's try this one. Okay, so in this part below, you can see 3 boxes, right? So it actually offers different features in your theme customizing. So the first one here in the right part is blur. It actually lets you adjust the blur of your background images or background image. Like for example, look at the difference that it does to mine. If you want your background to be vivid, you can adjust or remove it. But if you want it to be like a little bit blurry, you can do it like this. The second one is the vignette. So it actually allows you to make the corners darker. Let's first select this one and then try to darken the outer part like this one. As you can see, it darkens the outer part. And next is the background of the text. It actually changes this part where you can see your emails. Like for example, this one is the light and this one is the dark version. So you can actually do everything you want in customizing your Gmail theme. So that's basically it on how Gmail theme is customized. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like, comment, share it, and subscribe. See you on our next one. Bye!